Hello, all, Sharon, and I'm back with part 2 of my Dollarama haul. So this first item is Banana Boat Sport for Kids, and this is SPF 50 plus, and it says it won't run into eyes, and it's this cool Jordan style. The container size is 14.2 grams, so I'm gonna use this around Nathaniel's like face and neck and ears and see how it works out. He hates it when I put suntan lotion on his face, so hopefully this won't bother him. And then I have some items here for my shelf for August. I grabbed Nate one of these, and then the other one I'm going to be putting on the shelf. But these are these fun pineapple drink cups, the little green straws. They were $2 each. It says to hand wash them, and they are BPA free. So and they are also 30 fluid ounces. So yeah, really cute. And then I picked up this little duck on a piece of wood, and this was $1.50. Super cute. And then this bag of seashells I thought was really cool. Normally when you get the bags of seashells at Dollarama, they're all one style. Like you'll get a whole bag of these and a whole bag of these. But this one happens to have a bunch of mixture of seashells. So I'll be adding a few of those to the shelf as well. And then the rest we'll be adding to our homeschool stuff. These are $1.75. It just says decorative seashells, and it doesn't tell you how many's in the bag. And then also I found these really cool twisty straws, and it just says twisty straws 3, and they all have the mermaid on the top. And then they come in a pink, purple, and light blue color. And oh, there's the price, $1.25. And also I want to mention, I mentioned it before, I know a lot of people don't like purchasing these straws because they say they're difficult to clean. The way I clean them is I put pipe cleaners through them, and it cleans them perfectly. Like you just stick it on both ends and then pull them through, and with your soap and water, and then you just run the tap at the top or the bottom and run the soap out, and then you can go in with another clean pipe cleaner and just kind of rinse them. And that's how I clean them, and I never have an issue with stuff sticking in them. Nate has mentioned to me a couple of times that he wants to go camping, which I don't think we can do because we don't really drive, and I don't really know anybody that drives. I'm going to see if we can camp maybe in one of our neighbors' backyards. But he wants to roast marshmallows. So the next couple items I'm going to show you in a couple minutes. I'm going to try to attempt to do do-it-yourself barbecue, but we did pick up these marshmallows. These are sweet and soft. The bag, it says roast them, and the bag is 255 grams. It says they're fat-free, and they're only $1. So we'll try these out. And then we also got these fun ones. And these ones I don't know if they'll roast or not. They are 200 grams. And there's these fun ones that are like twisted with the white, pink, yellow, and blue. And they were $1.25. So we'll try those too. I said they're fruit flavored. And then to go along with that, also to roast them, are these barbecue skewers. I didn't see any ones that were labeled like marshmallows, but you get these, and there is 6 in the package, and they are $2.50 with the wooden handles. So that's what I'll be using. Now, these next few items, I don't know if it's the most craziest thing I've come up with, or, it'll be brilliant and it actually works. But I'm going to try to make my own little barbecue pit. We won't be doing it anywhere close to the house. We'll be doing it probably down by the beach where I have, quick access to water, just in case it fails. But I kind of came up with this cool design, and hopefully it works out. So, first of all, I got these. These are $2.50, and they're 20 sticks of these fire starters. So I'll probably just need a very small piece for this and break one off. And it says to, store these in a, like, don't store it where there's flammable, and don't store near heat, fires, or flames, because it is flammable. So just be careful with that. So yeah, this is what I'll try to start it with. And then I also got this little lighter. So this is a multi-purpose lighter for $1, just so I can reach in there. And then this is the design I came up with these 3 items. So first off, we have this Betty Crocker cake pan. and it was $3.50, and it's an 8x8. And then this is like the grill pan I'm going to put on top. So this was $2, and this is a non-stick little veggie grill for $2. So that's kind of going to be my lid, I guess. And then this, I guess, could be the item that holds like the actual maybe charcoal and the fire like at the bottom. I don't know exactly. But what I'll do is when I do like a final video, and I have it all together, and if we'll see if it works, I might show you guys like a separate video on like how to make your own barbecue. But these are I think it's just one, yeah, one with the lid. It's got the clear plastic lid, and this is just one of those shallow pans with a dome lid, and it is 11.7 by 9.3 by 1.77 inches. So the design I was thinking is putting this at the bottom, and then having the cake pan inside with like the charcoal on the outside, and maybe a little fire in the middle. I'm not sure yet. Like I said, I'm gonna test it out before I show you all. And then this on the top, so that it's coming through like light flames like this, and then we can roast some marshmallows like this on top. So I don't know, we'll give it a try, and if it does work out, I'll definitely share the video with you all. So thanks a lot for watching this part 2 of my Dollarama haul, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye for now.